In this session, let's see how we can convert a normal function with one argument into arrow function. So this is just a little bit different. In the previous session, we saw to convert a normal function into arrow. The first thing is we need to remove this function keyword. Then we want to add an arrow in between the arguments and the curly bracket. So let's do that. Let's first add a console.log to see the output of this particular function. So let's quickly run this one first. So we are getting 50, so square of 10 by 2. Now to convert this simple function into arrow, first thing, remove the function keyword. Second thing is to add an arrow symbol.
Hey there. If you're finding this video helpful, you'll love our full online course on JavaScript with node.js. It goes even more in depth and covers everything you need to know. Check out the link in the description to enroll and take your skills to the next level.
Next, because this function has only one line of code in the body of the function, we do not need these curly brackets. Also, we do not need this return keyword because there is just one line of code, and this can go right over here. Okay, up to this point we already saw in the previous session. Now, because this function has only one argument, we do not need the brackets for this single argument, that is num1. We do not need these brackets also. So this is the arrow function equivalent of this particular function. So let's quickly run it. Square root and divide 1. And when we run this program, we can see the output is similar. So converting a function with single argument into arrow function, even better, even crisp and clear.
Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into JavaScript with node.js, don't forget to explore our complete online course. Click the link in the description to get started today. Plus, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the class.